Hey y'all, it's Nick at Johnson RV, Medford, Oregon. Are you looking for something affordable, insulated, and built well? Check out this 2018 Micro Mini. This is a 1700BH model. It does have bunks for additional sleeping. It's going to have tons of storage inside. Check out the overhead storage there above the bed. You've got a nice solar charge controller there, so you will have solar on this rig. A nice dinette there, can comfortably seat about 2 to 3 people. And again, your bunks in the back. This rig is pristine for a 2018, and it is priced to sell. If you and your family are tired of tent camping and want to step it up a little bit, come to 2840 Crater Lake Highway, Johnson RV, premium pre-owned superstore located right next door to Lava Lanes. If you prefer to shop online, visit www.johnsonrv.com today. Our inventory changes daily, but I'm sure we can help you locate the perfect RV. Give us a call at 458-226-2472, and we'll do everything we can to help. Have an awesome day, and thanks for watching.